Alright, okay, everybody, it is time for Thunderstorm Part 2. This is later on in the afternoon from the video this morning. Yeah, you can see the rain. It's crazy. Oh my god, it's so blurry. Okay, let me close the screen. So yeah. There's a huge lightning bolt right outside me freaking house. Remember that light over there? That little, it's really hard to see, but there's a lamp over there. That's where the gas station is from this morning. That's my neighbor's house right there. The light is through that tree. Those are those lights down there. That big lightning bolt that I saw back yesterday, that's over there at the gas station. Oh, this morning it was, not yesterday. So yeah. This is Thunderstorm Part 2. This is insane. Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening me. So I was leaving on my friend's party. Yeah, it was a huge thunderstorm right now. It's insane. So yeah, I'm not sure if there's gonna be any more lightning, but there's definitely lightning. Oh yeah, there's the thunder. Not sure if you can hear it, but yeah, there's the thunder. Oh damn. Sounds like there's a freaking earthquake, dude. I'm gonna make this video short and sweet because I can't do it. I can't stay here really longer because I got a game to play. So, but I saw the lightning and the thunder and was like, oh my god, I gotta make a video about this. And we gotta make a part 2. Gotta make a part 2. A part dos. Uno dos. Oh my god. Look at my neighbor's pool. It is pouring. You could literally hear it. This is probably what it's like almost every day in the Amazon rainforest, man. It's insanity. Watch your profanity. Anyways, I think I'm gonna close the video for now. I don't know. It's just a little quick video, part 2. So, yeah. Damn, bro. That was intense. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye.